Good morning. This is the first day at the location at the community center, and we arrived yesterday in the dark, so we couldn't see what looks like here. But this is what it looks like, and this is the house where we're going to stay for 3 weeks. And Giel and I just slept in that tent. You can see this is the inside of the house, and here it's going to grab some food and some rooms. And here, a lot of people slept, the people who drove us here, and yes, this is where we're going to stay for a while.
Van de, ja, eigenlijk van de twee de end, ja, de end ja. Denk je dat deze nog gaat overleven?
Die schoren die houden het allemaal bij elkaar. Ja. Maar de gratis gaan zitten, zeg maar. Maar hier zit een kant-en-klaar plan in met zaagstaat en wel alleen in inches. Dus
So we're now here just buying some wood for the projects. So good morning, Giel and I are here and we're going to plane the wood here. It's the logo guy who this place is perfect. And here we've got some wood. And this is just the plane we're going to use.
yeah, that's it.
Can I show you something? So now if you release it, you can see this stripe. It's not exactly on the same place.
So the space here is much more than here. The gap. So it's important that this line is the same as this line. So now it's a bit turned. It happens sometimes because of when the wood is hard or this is not tight enough. So with this one, you push this one.
Yeah.
If you want to use this for chisels, it isn't really necessary, but for planes, it's better to use this. Yeah, so you have to put this over here. This is the guard that you can. So if you can see on the side, it's now. If you look on the side here, you can see some light through it. See, the angle is different. Here, come here.
You can push your blade to this plate to keep it in line with this plate.
Okay.
Zo, met je vinger.
I think here, if I can just put your hands back. Like this finger, here, look at it. It's close to the grinding wheel.
Sembe tware bom jera ruba mukatirero.
Yaruwa.
Na di ruba do
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Like this?
Yeah.
Almost.
Yes. How are you guys doing? Good?
Then there's this one, and this one is the metal. Because it does look different, you see that?